You want to see what's inside?
Mm-hmm.
You want to open some Cracker Jack?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first time you've ever had any Cracker Jack, huh?
No.
It's not?
Big.
Babe's giving you some?
Better.
I know I haven't given you any Cracker Jacks. Let's see if I can find... First, let's try some. Mmm. You want to try some? No. I promise you it's good. Oh, there it is. All the way at the bottom. Alright, can you guess what it is? It says lift and peel, right to open. The Reds, formerly known as the Cincinnati Red Stockings, became the first team in Major League history to use an airplane to travel from one city to another. Cincinnati to Chicago on June 8th, 1934. And we got a Reds. Ooh, is that a sticker or a tattoo? It looks like a tattoo.
Bubble.
Man,
Yeah.
seems like everything I've been getting is Cincinnati Reds.
There.
Yeah, can you say red?
That.
Yep, it's a tattoo. You want to try some?
Mama.
You want to try some?
Mama.
Mama wants to try some?
Huh.
Say bye-bye.